When it comes to solving or reversing neuropathy, maybe just even stopping it from progressing, there are three systems you have to address. You have to address the vascular system, the neurological system, and the metabolic system. Without addressing all three of them, you're going to end up with a very poor result. I describe this to most of my patients just like baking a cake. If I'm missing eggs out of the recipe, I'm going to yield a very poor result. If I don't have the oven temperature set high enough, same result. And then if I don't do it for long enough, it's the same result. We have to think about these pathologies. We have to think about these conditions more as a recipe in order to solve them rather than just a one size fits all. I see so many people that get disappointed that a medication didn't work, a surgery didn't work, or just maybe cutting out soft drinks didn't work for them. You have to think about this from a more comprehensive approach. There are many things that apply when we're talking about a pathology or you're talking about a certain condition. And if you understand it and you do the basics, if you do 80% of what you need to, you're still going to get a great result. So if you want to learn more, there's a free virtual training where I go through the main causes of neuropathy, and I talk about how we've been able to help hundreds of people reverse and stop the progression of their neuropathy, all with just simple at-home equipment and nutrition and diet guidance. So check out my bio. The link's in there. Sign up for the free training. It's free. And then if you have any questions, comment below, reach out to me, whatever you need to do, and I will see you all next time. Bye.